Hello and good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you out there from wherever you are joining us in the world. It's another beautiful day, it's another wonderful day to learn mathematics. We thank God for this wonderful day. How He has given us life, how He has given us health. So, my name is Samuel Anehan. I'm going to be your host, I'm going to be your tutor for today. So, this is our series on Surds so far. We've done a couple of lessons. So, in case you've missed the previous lesson, make sure you go over them. Okay, we've done lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3, lesson 4, I think lesson 5. So, in this lesson, in our previous lesson, the last lesson, we looked at conjugate surds. Conjugate surds, that was what we looked at. So, today we're looking at rationalizing the denominator. Rationalizing the denominator. That is what we'll be looking at in this lesson today. So as you join us, we are going to have a wonderful time together. But before we proceed, if you know you're not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so that you will always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon and set it to all so that YouTube will always notify you whenever I upload a new video, and invite others to join this channel. Hit the like button and be ready to drop your comments, because actually you're going to enjoy this lesson. So let's proceed. So given that root 2 is equals to 1.414 and root 3 is equals to 1.732 and root 5 is equals to 2.236, simplify. A 10 root 2, B 8 over root 3, C 12 over root 5, D 15 over root 2. So if we want to replace root 2 with 1.414 and simplify, it's going to be very tedious for us. So what we're going to do is that we're going to rationalize the denominator. So we take the first one, 10 root 2. What does it mean to rationalize the denominator? All to rationalize is just a question of multiplying this expression by root 2 over root 2, what you have in the denominator. So root 2 over root 2 is 1. At the end of the day, you're not changing anything. It still remains the value. It's just like multiplying by 1. So when you do this, what does it become? This is going to be 10 root 2. 10 times root 2 gives you 10 root 2. Then root 2 times root 2 gives you 2. So what do you have? You have this is what you now have right now. So at the end of the day, I don't want to divide straight ahead. So 10 root 2 is 1.41. So that is times 1.414 divided by 2. So 10 times this gives you 14.14 divided by 2. So 2 in 14 is 7. 2 in 1, 0. 2 in 14 again, 7. So final answer is 7.07. 7.07. As simple as that. Okay, 7.07. So we move to the next one, which is 8 divided by root 3. So for the next one, which is 8 divided by root 3, root 3 is 1.732. First of all, we're going to rationalize. So like I said before, rationalizing is just a question of multiplying by root 3 over root 3. Root 3 all over root 3. So at the end of the day, this becomes 8 times root 3 gives you 8 root 3. Then root 3 times root 3 gives you 3. So at the end of the day, root 3 is 1.732. So you have 8 times root 3. Root 3 is 1.732 all over 3. So we can use our calculator. We punch our calculator, 8 times this divided by this, I will get our final answer. So let me get my calculator. So punching my calculator, I have that this eventually is 4.61887. So finally we have 4.6187. So rationalizing the denominator is as easy as ABCD. So for the third one over there, let me quickly solve the third one. We have 12. For the third one, we have 12 over root 5. And root 5 is 2.236. So rationalizing, we have 12 over 5 times 12 over root 5 times root 5 over root 5. This lands us on 12 root 5 all over root 5 times root 5 is 5. 12 times root 5 is 12 root 5. Now this gives us 12 times root 5 is what? 2.236 all over 5. So we punch our calculator. This gives us 12 times 2.236 divided by 5. Final answer is 5.3664. So that is the final answer. So you can try solve the last one, 15 over root 2, by rationalizing it. You are going to rationalize the denominator before you now substitute the value of root 2. So I'm going to give you more exercise to practice. Let me give you more practice exercise. Okay, so simplify this, give it that root 2 is this and root 3 is this. These are your practice exercise. So with these, we've come to the end of our lesson on rationalizing the denominator. Rationalizing the denominator. Okay, let's continue. How about when you have expressions such as root a minus root b in the denominator? How do you rationalize? How are you going to rationalize? Okay, let me keep this one. See the next lesson. Rationalizing the denominator when you have expressions such as this in the denominator. So I'll keep that to the next lesson. Let me stop this lesson here. Rationalizing the denominator when you have expressions such as this one. So thank you for joining us today. I really appreciate sticking with us, and I hope you actually I know that you really enjoy the lesson. So just avail yourself of the opportunity to join us in the next lesson, and ensure you don't miss the lesson for any reason. And please, if you know you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Click on the like button as well. Click on the like button. Click on the subscribe button. Drop your comments, and whenever we upload a new video, you'll be notified. Click on the bell icon. Set it to all so you notify whenever we upload a new video. Thank you, and watch out for the new lesson, which will rationalizing the denominator when you have expressions such as this. So bye.